I would like to talk about the three types of studio lighting that is also applicable to astronomy and space photography. Okay, so first we have the key light, the backlight, and the fill light. So the key light is when the sun is shining directly in front of the planet Earth, where the sun serves as the main lighting. Earth is backlighted when the sun is behind, with the moonlight serving as a fill light or reflected light. And long exposure technique is used in this kind of shot by setting the shutter speed long enough to brighten the overall image, including the stars and galaxies in the background. We have the last type of lighting, which is common in Earth's photos, which is the artificial lighting during nighttime when the city lights are illuminating the Earth. So there you have it, guys, my simulation and demo of Earth and lunar photography in space, and my explanation why some Earth photos have stars in it and while others doesn't have them. Thanks for watching and good night. May the force be with you. Peace, man.